Couples everywhere are having fun resolving their disagreements, and you can too. This week's episode is:
should you take care of the honey-do list in a certain period of time?
This is the YBAngry channel, where we show couples how to stay together, one issue at a time. No fuss, no drama. My name is Rod Jeter, bringing you couples coaching with instant results. Here we go. Who's going to be player A? Who's going to be player B?
He's A and B.
Both players will use the This One Detail cards to write down all the details to support their position on this issue. Only fill in sections 1, 2, and 3. Use as many cards as needed.
Frustrated. And I don't understand some of the things you do. I can't comprehend. I tell you the truth, I'm trying hard as I can. I'm so confused while we keep arguing.
One detail of mine is that you already said yes, but so much time elapses.
But what you're saying to me is I take too long to get accomplished those things that you have asked me to do.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Is that detail true?
Yes. So circle whichever one?
Yes.
All right. Yeah, okay.
That's a 10 for you.
All right. Well, yeah, I do understand that I may not do things like in your time frame, but I work, normally during my time frame. I may be doing something else, whether that's in between watching TV or something else, and then, do some of those tasks, in between, and not necessarily just jump on the task and get them all out.
What you're saying to me is that while you might not jump on a task immediately, you do it in between other things that you're doing, and that you do get it done.
Yes.
Either
one. Okay. I go. Well, I do understand that. I guess it would make things a whole lot easier if I just get those things done, as opposed to, I guess, put them off. Or so much time elapsing between the time you ask me and the time, I respond to those things.
Yes, that's true, because some of the things actually don't get done, and they're still outstanding. So to me, it's not just a matter of, you're not jumping on it right away. Sometimes it's a matter of it appears to be not jumping on it at all.
In some cases, yes. I guess I would say that going forward, then I would make sure that I would put those things high on my priority list and get them taken care of. Because I know how important it is for you in getting those things accomplished.
Well, that would be great. It's not just words and actually gets done, then that would be exactly what I'm wanting. I don't think I'm asking anything unreasonable, because they're things that benefit us both, though it might be more of an immediacy for me. Something as simple as, caulking the walls or hanging up a picture, or, that may not be important to you, but if I can't do it myself or can't do it as well as you can, then I'm kind of dependent on you for it. And so, I just trust that your word is your bond and you'll take care of it. So I appreciate that.
Okay, I understand the importance of taking care of the things that you asked me to take care of, and not taking a whole lot of time to get things accomplished.
I said if you hold to your word, that would be great.
Together you have to decide if there was progress with this one detail as it relates to the issue. So yes or no.
Agree?
Yes.
Okay.
And if you guys have come to an agreement, then you won the game. So you have to decide if there was enough progress with this one detail to win the game. If not, you move to the next most relevant card.
Okay.
So together you guys decide if the game is over or not. Sincerely.
I think it's over.
Okay. So yes.
Okay.
Except yes?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So we're done. I thought that worked real well. I don't know what how do you guys feel about it?
I thought it worked really well.
You just tell her what that one was, so you guys will know what you wrote. That's all.
Oh, okay. what my detail was. I know what needs to be done after you give the list to me, or what you want done.
Okay. And then what was the next one?
Oh, I like to get things accomplished within a reasonable time while doing other things,
Okay.
like I had mentioned earlier. And then the next one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll get it done eventually.
Eventually. I said, I do what I'm supposed to do, so should you.
Okay. That was a 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't want to pester you.
Oh, that was a 5 also?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
YBAngry.